In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do a form on Aweber. Start by logging into your Aweber account and going to the main menu. Find Pages and Forms, and then click Sign Up Forms. This is where Aweber keeps all of the forms that you create for collecting new subscribers. Next, click Create a Sign-Up Form. When Aweber asks what the form is for, choose For My Website. This option is designed for embedding a form directly on a page of your site, like a home page, a blog sidebar, or a landing page. You will now see a library of templates. Take a moment to choose one that matches your brand and layout. A simple design is usually easier to read and can help conversions. Once you have made your choice, click Load Template to open it in the editor. In the form editor, adjust your fields. This is where you decide what information you want to collect, such as a name and an email address. Keep it clean and focused, since fewer fields can make it quicker for people to sign up. As you make changes, look at the preview so you can confirm the form looks good on both desktop and mobile. When you are done editing, click Save Your Form. After saving, click Go to Step 2. Here, enter a form name. Use a clear name that helps you recognize where the form will be used, especially if you plan to make more than one. Then select a thank you page. This is the page subscribers will see after they submit the form. So choose the option that fits your flow, whether it is a basic confirmation page. On this screen, save the form if prompted, and select I will install my form. This tells Aweber you want to place the form code on your own website. Finally, copy the JavaScript snippet or the raw HTML depending on what your website platform supports. JavaScript is often the easiest for quick embedding, while raw HTML can be useful for more control. Paste the code into your website editor where you want the form to appear. Then save and publish your page. That covers everything you need to know.